How long? Just text me. Like, how long you gonna be here? Where you staying? Blah blah blah. I can pick you up in big black number 3. All right, creating accessible homes for Detroiters. So, CHN Housing Partners. So they have this program if you are considered disabled, which includes Social Security disability benefits. If you're a veteran and you disabled, or children's special health care services through Michigan Department of Health, Human Health Services, I think is what it stands for. So the requirements are the property must be owner occupied in Detroit, must be single family home with less than 2 units, including duplexes and flats, and as defined by the city. Property must meet minimum standards of being habitable. Examples where the property conditions include may not qualify include vacant, major mechanics, blah blah blah. So the house got to be livable. So eligible repairs they're paying for. They putting in ramps or lift for mobile device users, interior and exterior entrance and exit handrails, exterior door improvements. So they probably gonna widen the door so you know you can get through with your wheelchair or your little U scoot. Alarm bells or entry lighting. So get you some nice LED exterior lights, motion lights, or ring. Light. Like the ring camera, I be posting those the groundhog footage on them ring cameras. I just got hardwired because they got better quality. Entry or exit trip hazard remediation. So this is dope. I'm gonna put this in the comments. So if y'all got a disabled family member, y'all can get some help out here. This is dope. All right, we almost done. I'm doing good. Detroit invests $6.1 million to renovate low income housing, ensuring long term affordability.